Did I tell you we were around the table and the camera wasn't on, it was off, and we hear her say mama, mama, mama. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, good night, you guys. It's a brand new day in this house, and I'm in the kitchen and I have guests at home. House full, breakfast I made banana fritters and plantain. My brother-in-law is here with his girlfriend and their son. Baby's at work, so it should be a good day. Anyway, you guys, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Stay love, stay blessed, stay motivated. Tyler is in cousin heaven right now. And Sarah.
Et où tu vas comme ça? Où tu vas comme ça?
Tyler, stop talking at me.
Allez, vas-y, paupiette.
Ordered Sarah's Christmas gift online and they didn't come, and one just came in the mail. For her, she's gonna be so excited when she sees it. Let's see her reaction. Let's see her reaction.
Ah, surtout pas. Oh, hey. Hey, ma beauté.
I want to see her reaction. She's gonna die. Hey!
Hey,
Mama!
Oh.
Oh. Look!
Regarde.
It's yours!
Tu vas plus? Oh.
Touch it. Oh,
Ouais.
c'est vrai?
Oh, c'est comme les princesses. Oui.
Oh. Oh my god, it's so cute. Look, it's your baby. 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 You love the camera too much. You love the camera. You love the camera. Huh? You love the camera too much. You love the camera too much. I'm going to wake up, brother. Ty and Uncle doing Legos.
Allez, vas-y, tu peux changer de page.
Super, merci pour la plage.
Attention, pas mélanger.
Comme
Alors,
ça.
une barre.
4 de ça. Non, comme ça peut-être. Oui, comme ça, ça.
Naturel, il te le montre là. Mettre dos à dos les trucs plats.
Ok.
Vas-y, appuie, je le tiens.
Push.
C'est bon?
Comme ça.
You want more broccoli and carrot, man?
Yes. I only want more broccoli.
Only more broccoli?
Yeah. No carrot. Only broccoli.
You're too funny. It's been a long day home with the fam bam. Baby's home. Baby, say hi. And we are in town with the in-laws. We are in town. Tyler is held on to his uncle for dear life. He won't let him go because that's what he do. That's what he do. Tyler love family. He's a family man. His girlfriend and son is here. We're in town. We're taking them to the Christmas market. Sarah is there. She's sleeping. And Tyler is behind me with his uncle chatting out. There he is. I know. So we're just here and I think we're gonna have dinner out. But let's see what we're gonna do. So let's see what we're gonna do for the rest. Turn around before you fall. Turn. Anyway, you guys, we're just here strolling at the fan bag, spending a nice evening out. They came in last night and played Santa Claus, of course, and Tyler got a bunch of gifts again, but he was just so in the moment. I didn't pick up the camera to vlog because he was so excited because he didn't know that they were coming, and he got so many gifts again last night. Sarah too. So yeah, we're just here enjoying the moment with them before they leave in the next 2 days. They'll be here for 2 more days. So tomorrow we have a full day out. So tomorrow should be very adventurous and very fun because they have so much planned for tomorrow. But yeah, here we go strolling the streets of Nice town, middle of town. Famous Place Messina, where every tourist hangs out when they come to Nice. You must visit Place Messina when you come to Nice. I told you, there's not even any line. There's no line to go in the Christmas market, so that's good. What is this thing with the light? Yes, I'm fascinated by it. Tu dis quoi, Tyler? What you say to Tata? Oh, cool. Tyler, hold it strong, okay? You like it?
Eh les garçons, mettez-vous là. Les garçons, mettez-vous là, je vous prends en photo.
Go stand beside Jules. So we're gonna pretend as if it's the first time we're coming here. For who didn't watch the Christmas vlog.
We're gonna put the French le Tour de France. They're gonna spend the first 2-3 days in Nice next year coming.
Okay, cool. Ready?
Yes.
J'ai vu que
bridge is this way.
C'est la boisson bouillante.
Go with you want to. Sa maman elle a dit pas je.
He got food. Let me see what he got. Ooh.
Où c'est qu'ils ont acheté les ballons?
J'achète le gonflable.
Ah, c'est
J'achète le
bon.
gonflable.
Merci.
J'achète le gonflable.
Là c'est cool, ça me fait une belle jambe.
J'ai envie d'y aller. J'ai envie d'y aller.
Parisienne, elle a pris un manteau. Elle m'endort, elle a pris.
Ok.
Mais elle est allée lui chercher à mon avis du sucre.
On va y aller au château.
Vous prenez rien?
C'est quoi comme fromage?
Though Christmas is gone, we're heading to Santa Claus village. We are going to Santa Claus house. Maison du Père Noël. Babe, the stroller can't come in.
Go with mama.
Ah oui, c'est là son lit.
The house of
J'ai
Santa
vu son
Claus.
lit. J'ai vu son lit.
T'as vu son lit?
Ouais. Là.
There's nothing really special about it.
Ah.
It's just a drawing of other kids with their names.
T'as vu, je suis les chaussettes du Père Noël?
Maybe the Santa Claus was here in this chair during Christmas time.
Les chaussettes du Papa Noël.
Tu veux les sentir?
On its bed. That's funny.
On sort dehors.
Allez, jump!
D'à côté de moi. Maman, tu viens à côté de moi.
We finished walking in town, finished doing Christmas market, showing the in-laws, and now we are at McDonald's, gonna eat dinner at our favorite spot, McDonald's. Look at Tyler ball lighting up. So cute. We're at McDonald's, going to have dinner. Everybody's just here chilling, the boys are here.
Tu vas prendre soin d'eux ou celui qui va...
You wanna ending the vlog tonight? You wanna sit like mama? You wanna ending the vlog tonight? You guys, did I tell you guys that Sarah says mama on Christmas Day? Did I tell you? We were around the table and the camera wasn't on, it was off. And we hear her say mama, mama, mama. Babe and I was like, did she just say mama? I said, babe, did she really just say mama? Babe said, well, it sounds just like it. I'm like, yes. She didn't say papa first, and nobody can tell me that. She didn't say mama first, okay? She said mama first. You guys, I am so tired. I'm so tired. We all got back off the road and everybody's in their respective places apart from Babe and his brother. They're in the living room having some one-on-one brother time, catching up. Tyler and Jules is in bed, Manu is in bed, and me and Sarah about to be in bed. Look at her. This is all she does these days. Hands and knees. She's up on all four these days, and she goes back ways but not front ways as yet. I need to give you guys her 5-month update because the 6 months is fast approaching and I haven't given you guys a 5-month update as yet. I guess this should be her 5-month update, really, just to end the vlog. So she's going up on all fours. She's going back ways, as I said. She's rolling like crazy. Look, you see her? She's gonna be crawling any minute. You guys, look at that. Look at that. Look at my baby. Look at my baby. Look at my baby. She's ready to crawl. Look at her. Look at her. Look at her. She's ready to crawl. You ready to crawl? Look at her. Look at her. Look at this girl. Sarah, you know you'll be crawling any minute. Look at her. She'll be crawling any minute. She's teething like crazy. The spaces for the tooth like literally look like it's just gonna shoot out the gum any minute. So I'm sure she's gonna have that teeth any minute in there. She is eating solids a lot. She is now sleeping at night in her own bed. She's not in her bassinet anymore. She's now in her big girl crib. She sleeps in her crib for like 5 hours to 4 hours each night. She's now eating solids. She now have a set routine in the day. Like she wake up about so for example, if I'm not taking Tyler to school, she'll wake up about 8 o'clock, 8:30, and then she'll go down for a morning nap, and she'll take an early afternoon nap, and then she'll take a late evening nap, and then we do our bedtime routine about 8 o'clock. And then she'll go down for bed and give me like a solid 4 or 5 hours before she wake up again. So she's doing a lot better with sleeping, and she's, I guess because she's in her big girl crib now, why she's doing so well with sleeping, because she's not feeling the bassinet moving and she's having a lot of space. So yeah, she's doing really well with that. What else is going on with her? The last time we took her to the doctor, she put on a lot of weight and she got taller
in comparison to putting on weight. She got really tall, so I'm sure she's gonna be a tall girl. How tall she's now, I don't remember exactly, but how tall she's now. Tyler, at her age, she's taller than Tyler, so she's a tall girl. But yeah, she's doing really well. She plays a lot with her brother. She's just growing into a big girl. Anyway, so there you guys get a rough 5 months update of Sarah. But yeah, anyways, like I said, I'm going to my bed because I'm tired. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new. Catch up and keep up with the fam bam. Tomorrow is another day. Turn on your notification bell, and don't forget to tell a friend and let them tell a friend and tell a friend and tell a friend. Anyway guys, love you enough. There you guys even get a Jamaican expression. Catch up and keep up, and we'll see you guys. Say tomorrow, Sarah. Tomorrow. Bye guys. Sarah, you're not saying tomorrow to the face? Not say tomorrow? No? Nothing? Princess even have growth in here. Her hair is growing. I wonder at which stage it's going to curl. Tyler hair curl at 8 months. Don't know what stage Sarah hair is gonna curl, but I'm pretty excited to see her different transition. A sweet girl. Sarah, Mama, look, I'm here. Say bye.